guys, we are back. It is officially October 1st, and here we are with a fun little Halloween look for you. So today I decided that we're going to kick off this spooky season with a classic Halloween horror character monster, the Mummy. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Monica. This is the first video out of 13 this year that we're doing for Halloween. So if you would like to see any future videos I post, make sure to subscribe, hit that notifications bell, and if you end up liking this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below anything else you would like to see, and yeah, let's get started. First things first, we're going to start off with some petroleum jelly. I'm putting a layer of this over my eyebrows to help prevent any hairs from getting ripped out from other stuff we're doing in this video. I'm then taking some tissue paper and going through and tearing up the edges, making sure we have no straight edges. Next, you're going to put down a layer of liquid latex using a disposable sponge onto your skin anywhere that you're going to want the decaying flesh to be. You're then going to be putting your tissue paper over top of that latex, putting another layer of liquid latex over top of that tissue, and just blending it into the skin. Repeat this process everywhere on your face that you're going to be wanting the skin to show. I'm going a little bit ham and just doing my entire face because I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to lay out my bandages yet for my mummy. So I'm just kind of covering all my bases, doing the whole thing. Doesn't take too long, so it's not a big deal. On the bottom half of my face, I'm making sure to let some of that tissue paper overextend where my jawline and chin are to kind of give the illusion of hanging skin. But I'm still making sure to put liquid latex over even those hanging bits that aren't attached to my face. I also decided to do the same exact process on my neck and upper chest area, just so with that peeks through the bandages, it still is cohesive with the face. Once your liquid latex has dried down this super cute yellow color, we're taking some brown water activated face paint, and I'm just doing a wash of this over all of our areas that we have our latex and tissue set. I'm then taking some black water activated face paint, and I'm going in that area that we left open on the bottom half of the face and just painting it all black to give the illusion that it is no longer there because our face fell off. I'm then going in with some yellow water activated face paint and doing a wash of this over all of the brown areas to kind of give it a gross look and further the decaying effect. Once that's dried down, I'm then going in with a cream highlighting contour palette and taking some of the highlight shades. I'm going in with a brush and placing this on all the high points and then just kind of rubbing it over the latex bits, and it kind of just grabs onto the higher points and highlights them and breaks up the darkness of the brown and yellow that we had already set down. Next, we're moving on to the eyes, so I'm just using an eyeshadow primer on the top and bottom lid, and then packing on some black eyeshadow. I'm doing this on the bottom and top lids as well, making sure to get it nice and dark. And on the outer perimeter of that black smoky eye, I'm doing a dark brown shadow, and this is just going to help blend it from that black into our fun little skin texture we got going on. I'm then grabbing some medical gauze that I picked up from the drugstore and going through and just making it super grody looking. And I'm just going through and dirtying it up so it's not so stark and perfectly white. I'm also stretching it out, putting some tears and distress into them as well to kind of make them look a little bit more worn in and aged. I'm then draping the gauze over my head and upper body and just kind of playing around with the placement and how I want this to go. Once I've got that all done, I'm taking some dark eyeshadows and just kind of further dirtying up the head portion of the bandages to give them more depth and grit. Once you're liking how everything is looking, go ahead and pop in some spooky contacts to really amp up the look and take it to a whole new level. If you're curious as to where I get my contacts from, I'll have it listed in the description down below. And that's it, you guys. It's pretty easy and simple for the most part, I think. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Like I said earlier, if you liked it, please leave a comment and or thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm super excited for this year's Halloween videos and looks. I just can't wait to share them with you all. After all, it is finally the best month of the year. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.